Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's talk about problems today. Problems are an integral part of our lives. We will never know the taste of real happiness if we don't go through trouble to attain that happiness. Let's understand this with a story. Once there was a man. He used to get into lots of trouble all the time, and due to that he always remained unhappy. One day he got to know that a sage had come to his village. He decided to meet the sage so that he could ask him the solution of his problem. In the evening he went to the place where sage was. After walking for some time he got to meet the sage and he bowed down to him. He said, "Baba, I am worried about my problems. I have lots of problems. One problem is not solved, then another comes to the fore. I have problems at my home, my work, health and what not. My whole life seems to be surrounded by problems. Please tell me how to get rid of these problems and live my life happily and peacefully." Having listened to everything, the sage smiled and said, "Son, I have understood your problems. I will tell you how to overcome these problems. Meanwhile, you do me a favor." The man agreed. The sage said, "My convoy has 100 camels. I want you to look after the camels tonight, and when all the camels sleep, you go to sleep too." Having said this, the sage went to sleep and the man went to look after the camels. Next morning, the sage called the man and asked, "Son, you slept well at night, didn't you?" "No, Baba, I could not sleep even a moment throughout the night. I tried a lot that all the camels sit together, so that I could also sleep well, but it was of no use. Some camels sat on their own. Some of them did not sit even after I tried a lot. Some sat, then others got up. The whole night passed like this." The sage smiled and said, "If I am not wrong, then this happened with you yesterday night. Some camels sat on their own. Some of them sat after your lots of efforts. Some of them did not sit even after you tried a lot. And later you saw that some of them sat on their own." The man said, "This is exactly what happened, Baba." Then the sage said, "Did you understand that in the same way the problems of our life are there? Some problems are solved on their own. Some are solved after lots of efforts. Some of them cannot be solved even after trying a lot. Leave these problems on time. These problems will be solved on their own at the right time. Yesterday night you must have experienced, no matter how many efforts you do, you can't make all the camels sit together. When you make one camel sit, then another gets up. When you make second one sit, then third one gets up. In the same way, the problems of our life are there. One problem is not solved, another comes. Problems are the part of our life, and they will always be there, sometime less and sometime more. You have to bring the change in yourself, and instead of being tangled in them, you have to keep them aside and move forward in life." The man understood what the sage told him, and he decided that he would never let the problems dominate him. Whether it is happiness or sorrow, he will move forward in life. So friends, the lesson is very clear. Accept your problems as an opportunity to grow. Don't burden yourself with them. Let me explain this with another story. Once, a sage was going through a forest along with his disciple. On the way, he got tired and sat near a river. He called one of his disciples and said, "Go and bring some water from the river, because I am thirsty." Then the disciple went to the river to bring some water. There he found some people washing the clothes in the river. The water was not drinkable. It was muddy. He went back to the sage and told him that water was muddy, it was not drinkable at that time. After 1 hour, the sage again told his disciple to bring some water. When he went to the river, this time water was very clean. The mud settled down. He brought water and gave it to the sage. Then sage asked, "Do you know what you did to the water to be cleaned? You gave river time to calm down. And when river calmed down, the mud settled down and water became clear." In the same way, when problems come in our life, at that time, if we give our mind time to calm down, then it settles down on its own. And if we have patience and leave those problems alone which we can't solve, then these problems will be solved by themselves. Thank you.